Hey there, WordPress warriors! In today's tutorial, we're going to jazz up your Elementor website with a typewriter heading effect. And the best part? We're using a free widget from the animation add-ons for Elementor plugin. Let's get started. First, let's install the animation add-ons for Elementor plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins Add New. In the search bar, type Animation Add-ons for Elementor. Once it appears, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. Now open up the page you want to edit with Elementor. Drag and drop the typewriter heading widget onto your page. Your typewriter magic is about to begin. Next, let's customize the text. Click on the widget, and in the left-hand panel, you'll see options to enter your typewriter text. Time to make it look awesome. Go to the Style tab to change the font, color, size, and alignment. Use the global styles if you want it to match your theme, or go bold with custom colors. Once you've styled your typewriter heading, hit Save Changes to see it in action. And there you have it, a beautiful typewriter heading on your Elementor website using the Animation Add-ons plugin. It's simple, free, and a great way to grab attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and share your creations in the comments below. See you in the next video.